How does the Bible change us? Naitanong mo na ba kung ang pag-aaral ng Biblia ay higit pa sa pag-unawa lamang? Kaya ba talaga nitong baguhin ka? Ang sagot ay oo. Ngayon, tatalakayin natin kung paano tayo binabago ng Biblia mula sa loob. The ultimate goal isn't just knowing the Bible, but becoming the Bible in action. Romans 12:2 urges us, do not conform to the pattern of the world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. This involves three key shifts. One, renewing our minds. The Bible challenges our assumptions, aligning our perspective with God's truth. We start seeing the world through His eyes. Second, conforming to Christ's character. We strive to embody Christ's love, humility, and compassion in our daily lives. And the third one, producing good works. Our faith becomes active through acts of service, kindness, and justice. We become agents of change in the world. Ang Biblia ay nagbibigay ng moral na gabay para sa pag-navigate sa mga etikal na problema sa buhay. Ito ay hindi isang aklat ng mga tuntunin, kundi mga prinsipyo na nakaugat in the character of God, like pag-ibig, katarungan, at awa. Dapat nating isaalang-alang ng may panalangin kung paano naaangkop ang salita ng Diyos sa bawat sitwasyon na humihingi ng kanyang karunungan. Furthermore, the Bible calls us to participate in God's mission in the world. Matthew 28:19-20. The Great Commission calls us to make disciples, teaching them to obey Jesus' commands. This means actively alleviating suffering, promoting peace, and sharing the gospel. Kaya paano mo pahintulutan ang Biblia na baguhin ka ngayong linggo? Una, mangako sa pang-araw-araw na pagbasa ng kasulatan. Kahit 15 minutes ay may malaking epekto. Ikalawa, magnilay-nilay sa iyong binabasa. Tanungin ang iyong sarili, paano ito naaangkop sa aking buhay? Ikatatlo, tukuyin ang isang lugar kung saan maari mong isabuhay ang iyong pananampalataya. Maglingkod sa isang nangangailangan, magsalita ng katotohanan ng may pag-ibig o magpatawad. 2 Corinthians 3:18 beautifully summarizes this process. And we all who with unveiled faces contemplate the Lord's glory are being transformed into His image with ever-increasing glory, which comes from the Lord who is the Spirit. Let the Bible be more than just words on a page. Let it be the catalyst for a transformed life. Pagpalain nawa tayo ng Panginoon.